Yeah. Now the question is, a line makes angles theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and theta 4. With 4 diagonals of a cube, show that cos square theta 1 plus cos square theta 2 plus cos square theta 3 plus cos square theta 4 equal to 4 by 3. Here we have to consider a cube. Without loss of generality, I am considering a unit cube. In the answer step, first you have to draw the figure. Without loss of generality, consider consider a unit cube with coterminous edges on OA bar equal to I bar, OB bar equal to J bar and OC bar equal to K bar. How it will come, I will explain after draw the diagram. Consider a unit cube. See here how to draw the cube. Like this you have to draw that. After that you have to join these edges. Extend from here, also extend from here, also extend. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. The point of intersection of x-axis, y-axis, z-axis is origin and whose coordinates. First I am writing the vertices of a cube. After that this will be making into the vectors, the sides and diagonals. So origin coordinates are, we know that 0, 0, 0, which is in the space, 3-dimensional means. Next, the point A I am considering on x-axis and the point B on considering on y-axis, the point C considering on z-axis. On x-axis, I already considered a unit cube. So, whenever we are considering as a unit cube, here we consider a unit cube. All the lengths, sides as well as heads equal to 1 unit. So, from here to here 1 unit. So, the coordinates of A will becomes 1, 0, 0. Similarly, the point B which lies on y-axis, x coordinate and z coordinates are 0. So the point will become 0, 1, 0. Next, here, the point which lies on z-axis, except z coordinate remaining will be zeros. So 0, 0, 1. After that, A, B, C which lies on x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Now I am considering the point D here, E here and F here. A, B, C in anti-clockwise direction, D, A, F in clockwise direction. I am taking. This is the logic you have to remember. And observe that the point D which belongs to XY plane. XY plane means z-axis is not there, z coordinate will be 0. So in x coordinate and y coordinate 1 unit we have taken already. So 1, 1, 0. E point which belongs to xz plane means x and z coordinate will be there, y will be absent. So 1, 0, 1. The coordinates of F is belongs to yz plane, x will be absent. So 0, 1, 1. This is the way you have to plot the points. And one more point is there. The point here I am considering P which belongs to the, which is lies on the A, like it is a space. This point P, it takes x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So all the coordinates will be there, x 1, 1, 1. After plotting the points in the cube, you have to consider the diagonals of a cube. Here, a line makes an angle theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4 with 4 diagonals, they are saying that. Out of these, what are the diagonals we have to consider? See here the OP is one diagonal. Next, another one, CD is another diagonal. Next, B, this is the way we have to remember. BE diagonal and AF diagonal. Here I will mention what are the diagonals we are taking. The diagonals of a cube. If you want, you can write that comments also. Whatever we discussed here. Consider a unit cube with coterminous edges and the points also. Points after that we will convert it into the vectors. See here, the 4 diagonals of a cube. The 4 diagonals of a cube are, what are the diagonals? OP, next CD I have taken, next BE I have taken, dotted lines what I mentioned that only. Next AF and AF, these are the diagonals. First, one by one, these diagonals, vectors you can calculate. OP diagonal, the vector OP. OP bar equal to OP minus OO, P minus O. So, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 into I bar, this is here, OM if this is I bar, this is J bar, this is K bar. I bar, J bar, K bar. So OP you can write it as 1 into I bar plus 1 into J bar plus 1 into K bar. That also can be written as I bar plus J bar plus K bar. Similarly, CD vector means OD minus OC. OD means B point, OC means C point. 1 minus 0, OD minus OC means 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 into I, here directly I wrote, 1 minus 0 into J plus 0 minus 1 into K. So we can write it as I plus J minus K. This is about CD vector, CD. Next, BE and AF we want. BE equal to BE vector, OE minus OB. OE. So 1 minus OE minus OB means E point minus B point. 1 minus 0 into I plus 0 minus 1 into J plus 1 minus 0 into K. So BE equal to I minus J plus K. So this is the BE vector. This is CD vector. Next, after BE, AF bar equal to OF minus OA. OF value. OF means what? This one. 0 minus 1 into I bar plus 1 minus 0 into J bar, 1 minus 0 into K bar. So we can write it as AF bar equal to minus I plus J plus K. So AF bar vector. So 4 diagonals we got it. Here also this is a OP bar. OP bar vector. Even here also 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. Even if you want clarity for this also, we can 1 minus 0. Even here also 1 minus 0, we can write it. So I plus j plus k OP. So 4 diagonals we got it. After that a line makes that line vector also. Let R bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar is a line. R bar xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar is a line which makes an angles with 4 diagonals of a cube, with 4 diagonals of a cube, angles we mentioned here, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and theta 4, with 4 diagonals of a cube. First, R bar is a, suppose like you can take this is the R bar vector, R bar line. This line makes an angle with OP diagonal. This is R bar, angle between OP and R bar. Angle between two vectors means how can you say that? A bar dot B bar by mod A bar into mod B bar. That is angle between two vectors. So here also the angle between R bar is a line and a diagonal OP. Observe carefully the diagram. So now let theta 1 be the angle between R bar and first diagonal OP. Then cos theta 1 is equal to R bar dot OP bar by mod R bar into mod OP bar. What is R bar? Xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar dot OP bar vector. We have that I plus j plus k, I bar plus j bar plus k bar divided by R bar. Magnitude of this vector is root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared, square root of 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 1 squared. So which is equal to dot product of two vectors, x into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus z into 1 divided by root x squared plus y squared plus z squared into root 3. This is about cos theta 1 with the first diagonal. Similarly, this line makes an angle with CD diagonal. This line makes with CD diagonal, that is theta 2. Similarly I am writing theta 2, theta 3 and theta 4 be the angles between R bar and after OP CD bar, that means CD vector, CD diagonal, next BE diagonal, and the last one is AF diagonal. Then first angle between R bar and the CD vector, that is cos theta 2, which is equal to R bar dot CD bar by mod R bar into mod CD bar. So xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar dot CD bar vector. CD bar vector we got it here. I plus j plus minus k. I plus j minus k divided by root of x square plus y square plus z square into root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Minus 1 whole square also plus 1. So it will becomes x plus y minus z x into 1, y into 1, z into minus 1 by root of x square plus y square plus z square into root 3. Observe carefully for the first angle cos theta 1 all are plus x plus y plus z. For the second angle last one getting minus. Third one similarly I am writing directly cos theta 3 angle between r bar and be bar. Here only I am writing r bar dot be bar by mod r bar into mod be bar. So if you write directly what value we are going to get here, x minus y plus z. So x minus y plus z by root of x square plus y square plus z square into root 3. And last one cos theta 4 which is equal to angle between r bar and af vector, af diagonal, r bar dot af by mod r bar into mod af, which is equal to, here first one we are getting all positive, second one we are getting last one is negative, third one we are getting middle one is negative. Now fourth one, first one we are going to get negative, minus x plus y plus z divided by root x square plus y square plus z square into root 3. After getting of these values, consider. So till there you can copy, I will rub there and I will write the remaining also. After completing of that cos theta 1, cos theta 2, cos theta 3 and cos theta 4, now consider this value. Consider LHS, consider cos square theta 1 plus cos square theta 2 plus cos square theta 3 plus cos square theta 4. We know the value of cos theta 1 whole square. Cos theta 1 value is x plus y plus z divided by root of x square plus y square plus z square into root 3 whole square plus cos theta 2 value. First one we are getting negative, x plus y minus z by root of x square plus y square plus z square into root 3 whole square plus x minus y plus z divided by root of x square plus y square plus z square into root 3 whole square plus minus x plus y plus z divided by root of x square plus y square plus z square into root 3 whole square. Just substitute the values cos theta 1, cos theta 2, cos theta 3 and cos theta 4. Whatever we got the values. Now simplification. A by b whole square means a square by b square only. So it will becomes x plus y plus z whole square divided by x square plus y square plus z square into 3. Root 3 whole square is 3 and root and square will be cancelled. We are getting this value. In every term denominator will be same, x plus y minus z whole square divided by x square plus y square plus z square into 3 plus here also numerator value is x minus y plus z whole square divided by x square plus y square plus z square into 3 plus minus x plus y plus z whole square divided by x square plus y square plus z square into 3. After that, observe carefully, in 4 terms the denominator is same. You can take out common 1 by x square plus y square plus z square into 3 x plus y plus z whole square x plus y minus z whole square plus x minus y plus z whole square plus minus x plus y plus z whole square. After completing of this step, what we have to do is 4 terms are there now. Actually here in every term you can apply a plus b plus c whole square expansion. So instead of doing what we have to do is 1 by x square plus y square plus z square into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. 4 you have to write it. After that, sum of the squares of x, y, z you can write it. If you simplify each and every term and expanding and simplify, you will get the same answer. So 4 times of x square plus y square plus z square. If you simplify this bracket value, you will get this one. So now x square plus y square plus z square will be cancelled. 4 into 1 by 3 which is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, cos square theta 1 plus cos square theta 2 plus cos square theta 3 plus cos square theta 4 is equal to 4 by 3. Hence proved. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. Thank you all.